Meditation isn't just a tool for relaxation. It's also a powerful way to align your energy and focus your intentions. When combined with manifestation practices, meditation can help you attract your desires faster and with greater clarity. In this video, we'll explore how to use meditation to speed up your manifestation journey. When combined with manifestation practices, meditation can help you attract your desires faster and with greater clarity. Manifestation is all about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your desires. Meditation enhances this process by calming your mind, clearing doubts, and connecting you to your inner power. When your mind is still, you can focus more deeply on your intentions and send out a clear signal to the universe. Meditation enhances this process by calming your mind, clearing doubts, and connecting you to your inner power. The first step is to create a space where you feel relaxed and focused. Find a quiet spot, free from distractions. Sit comfortably and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Remember, your state of mind matters. Approach meditation with positivity and a clear intention. Next, focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple practice helps you quiet your thoughts and enter a state of relaxation, which is essential for manifestation. Each breath brings you closer to alignment with your desires. Each breath brings you closer to alignment with your desires. Now it's time to visualize. Close your eyes and imagine your desire as if it's already yours. See it clearly in your mind. What does it look like? How does it feel? Engage all your senses to make the visualization vivid and real. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of achieving your goal. The stronger the emotion, the more powerful the signal you're sending to the universe. Affirmations reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest. During your meditation, repeat affirmations that align with your desires. For example, say, "I am attracting abundance," or "I am worthy of success." Affirmations help program your subconscious mind and keep your focus on your goals. After visualizing and affirming, let go of the need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe is working to bring your desires to life. The act of releasing creates space for manifestation to flow. Letting go shows confidence in the process, which amplifies your ability to manifest. Consistency is key. To speed up your manifestation, make meditation a part of your daily routine. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can have a profound impact on your energy and focus. Use your meditation time to reconnect with your goals, realign your energy, and trust the process. Meditation isn't just a tool for relaxation. It's a bridge to the life you want to create. By combining meditation with manifestation, you align your mind, body, and spirit, allowing your desires to flow effortlessly into your life. Ready to start using meditation to speed up your manifestation? Subscribe to our channel for more tips on mindfulness, manifestation, and creating a life you love. Click the link below for the easiest, most effective meditation I've found.